yung lahat ng ATM ng Intercept punta sa driver niya. Paramaor niya ang driver niya. Ginawaan niya ng bahay. At ngayon yung driver niya naging hook rin sa drugs because of the close association. But we are sure that he received a huge amount of money. I am not sure kung yun ang ginastos nitong gagang ito sa eleksyon. Sino pa bang iba? You know, when you are an immoral, dirty woman. The driver was married. So if you live with the driver, it's concubinage. In the olden times, there is no distinction between man